Hello friends, in this video we are going to add admin category product thumbnail. So here we are going to add a category thumbnail so that we can identify which product it is. So by image we get to know that this is the image, so this is the product or something like that. So we are just using create a thumbnail of product image over here so that we can identify over here. So let's start how we can add it over here. Let me run the commands terminal. I have already made the code. Let's check. Is it the same? cd var html magento 2 project comment. So in the meantime, I will explain the code also. So this is let's run the commands. I'll create. It take hardly 2 to 3 minutes, nothing more than, because I have wait in my system, and it's Magento 2.4.3 version, the latest one. We are all implementing everything on Magento's latest version. So this is updated. Let's paste this code and run. See, the thumbnails are getting in to it. So let's upload the code over here. Thumbnail part is there. So let's check what exactly it is. So let's go to the products. I'm adding this image over here. Images, pictures. You can add it over here. I'm saving this picture. Cache, flash. Okay, catalog, categories. See, the image is coming. So this is how we can get to know how we can add the category thumbnail, a product thumbnail in the category pages. Okay, so let's see how we can build this extension. Let's go to the code, app code, my module, WhatsApp. So first of all, go to the admin edge block, admin HTML category tab. We are using product.php. So here I am using prepare columns to adding the thumbnail. Okay, so CSS I have added. So prepare columns for the grid tab, and in the grid we are rendering the image.php. So here I'm just rendering the image product listing thumbnail image. Okay, so this is product listing thumbnail I'm getting from the image helper, and the width is 50. So these two things we need to add, and the last we have to override the module of the this category part. So just go to the etc di.xml, and you need to just replace category tab product block admin HTML category tab product. If you go to the tab admin HTML vendor folder, you will get to know that that is the module catalog. If I go to the this project, we go to the vendor, then we go to the Magento, and here if we go to the module hyphen catalog, we go to that module hyphen catalog. So here we have the block. We have what we are doing, category admin HTML category, and we are going to the tab, and that we have product.php. See what the flow it is. It is also using the prepare columns. Okay, so they were adding name, SKU, visibility, status, and the price. Okay, on the behalf of it they are rendering the prepare columns. Checkbox they are rendering, ID they are rendering, visibility they are rendering, status, price, everything is they are rendering. So I'm using the same concept and rendering the product.php with the this parent. We are using the parent prepare columns, then add column after. So I'm adding the image column. If you want, I can also add another column with the text or something like this. So just you need to copy this column, and you can just there under image class. Where is image? Image is defined. What image is you are using? Image by rendering. So here I am just making the image part, I am rendering this part. So here you can also add columns. Let's check how we can add the columns also. Let's copy this. Let's see how they have added. Add column with prepare return columns, and let's go to the adding entity ID. Okay, so here we have entity ID. I'm adding with the price. Add column after image to thumbnail, image. Okay, same we can adding, but it is image 2, index image 2, render this block. Okay, this after price. So I'm adding. If I'm going to add this and go to the product tab, let's see what's going to be happen. Interesting, you could see the products in the category. We have a column new after the price, that is thumbnail, the same one. So this is I am adding. So this is how we can add multiple things like thumbnails, SKU, visibility, tags, and whatever you want. Just showing over the category products over here. So you can design like this part. Okay. So this is how we can manipulate this, and we can save this. Nothing going to be changed. And if you go to the product, because this is the same one, because we're just rendering. Okay. So this is how we can achieve this part, like how we can show the category admin category thumbnail in Magento 2 categories. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and please do like, share, and comment if you like my videos. Have a great day. I will keep uploading the new videos. I think I'm planning for the Node.js also, so that I can also upload on that. But Magento, let me complete my module, my first this section, then I will later on adding the Node.js modules. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great day.